Oh. That's oh dear, that's a nice thing to get on video, isn't it? Lovely, it's a horror movie. The creature. It's the creature. Hello. Oh dear. Someone's just had far too much milk.
Still wants more.
She's not having any more.
Look. I will give her the last bit.
Nah. You can't give her any more.
Okay. Well, but she's still not settled.
She probably needs a burp. This is a milk drinking machine. Oh, look out. It's coming out the wrong way. Never mind all those calculations they do about weight and number of feeds and all that. She'll just drink everything.
Why? What happened? She's moving a lot.
Oh, bless you. Bless you again.
Hey. Oh, no. No, she still wants more. Give me that bit. Come on, give me that bit. I'm going to give her. Look at her.
She is a machine.
What's she looking for?
She wants a steak. Or a pork chop.
Oh!
Oi. Another one bites the dust.
Nothing moved.
She's putting her hands together and praying for more. Please give me more. You starve me. I'm so weak.
She wants more. I think we need to rock her then. She's moving so much. She's looking for. Look.
She's out of control.
I
She's a
think
milkaholic.
a little bit more. I think we need that. She vomit a lot out.
Yep.
Mm.
Okay.
Come on, Daddy.
Here she goes.